the Singh brothers and Daiichi, the combat that has been going on between both the parties. Supreme Court has agreed to proceed with Daiichi's contempt plea versus the Singh brothers. SE says insolvency proceedings against Singh brother companies, and that's an update that we're picking up from agencies, quite an important one. And Supreme Court will decide if Singhs are in contempt of court. The Supreme Court also says it will jail Malvinder and Shivinder Singh if they are found violating the orders. Supreme Court will now hear contempt plea against the Singh brothers on 11th of April. So that's the next big deadline to watch out for. Abhimanyu Sharma is joining us to update us on what transpired and what exactly is the Supreme Court saying at this point of time regarding Daiichi versus the Singh brothers.
Well, today the Supreme Court has stayed NCLT proceedings for 23 companies. The names of the companies would come out in the detailed order. Also, the Apex Court asked the brothers to tell what they are doing to satisfy the award. The court also expressed surprise that a valuation of assets was not made, and they have been given a chance, but they could not state how they are going to enforce the award, how they are going to pay the amount which they have to pay to Daiichi. Also, Malvinder Singh submitted that as per RHC accounts, there were investments of around 6,800 crores. Two instruments had even matured in 2018, which were valued over 2,000 crores. They had also compiled a list of unencumbered assets, land and working companies. It was also submitted, meanwhile, that the money and the property was siphoned off to some Babaji, and the court was requested to appoint somebody for recovery of these assets. Also, Shivinder Singh submitted before the court that they were trying to secure the award, but the total value of the group was close to 900 crores, which had depleted in the past few years ever since the award had initially come, and hence they are working on a plan as far as working closely with Daiichi is concerned in order to raise more money. Also, as plan B, something which was spoken by Shivinder Singh's lawyer, that they had a plan B in hand, that despite a valuation of 8,500 crores, the plan B was that if Shivinder would be allowed to get control of RHC holdings, then there would be any possible execution which would be done from his side, and furthermore, more money could be raised. What remains to be seen, however, is whether the courts would be willing to give control of any companies as being desired by Singh brothers as of now, as far as raising more money is concerned, given the fact that Daiichi has been raising this issue not only before the Apex Court, but has also raised this earlier before the Delhi High Court, that the Singh brothers were unwilling to pay. They had the requisite assets, and hence the Apex Court should proceed with contempt proceedings against them. And this is something which will possibly have a bearing on the next date of hearing, when Singh brothers will probably present a plan, or else the Apex Court might initiate some coercive action against them.
Right. Thanks, Abhimanyu, for getting us that heads up. Of course, Supreme Court will now hear the contempt plea against the Singh brothers on 11th of April. But for now, they've agreed to proceed with the Daiichi's contempt plea against the Singh brothers. The Supreme Court has also stayed insolvency proceedings against 23 Singh brother companies for now. So April 11th will be the next date to watch out for with respect to this ongoing saga.